Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Rancilio espresso machine. This machine came in needing a tune-up. We tightened up a couple of loose connections in the back, did a back flush on the three-way valve, and of course with the tune-up we descaled the boiler and cleaned the entire group head, and this came out really good. Shot's going to come out great. There we go. Oh, look at that. Cut that just a little short, but that came out really nice. We'll get ready for the steam over here. We'll do that by first purging the remaining water inside the steam valve. Takes just a second to heat up. And these actually heat up very quickly, and it's probably ready even before the light. Let's give it a quick little check here. Ooh, one more time to purge that, and here it goes. We'll let it build a little steam. There it is. Some nice strong steam, just getting even stronger. Well, there you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with the Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you very much.